GOSPACE SuperCharger, the one which solves all your file transfer and fast charging needs. SuperCharger provides you a convenience way. You don't need other devices to use your adapter and transfer data. Just transferring data by one device. GOSPACE SuperCharger. You could edit your stuff on your electronic device by any time and anywhere you like. Use it when needed. GOSPACE SuperCharger. Not just a card adapter, not a normal charger. It could also be a super power bank. Large MAH that could support your life. SuperCharger also supports the latest power delivery, fast charging technology. You can charge your laptop and mobile devices at the same time, which can support new MacBook. All your device needed is GOSPACE SuperCharger. GOSPACE provides you all the adapters for different countries. Just one move and 1 second to switch the adapters you need. Just pick the one you need and you are ready to go. Our multi-protection safety system will make you feel safe to bring GOSPACE SuperCharger out. All you need is just one device and go.